Hello everyone. In this video, let us explore the different ways of doing drill down on DataGol. Today on DataGol, we have three ways by which the user can configure or do the drill downs. First one is ad hoc. That is simply by clicking on the columns, we have the option on the right click on the place that you want to do a drill down on. It will show you a list of columns that are present on the workbook that the user can add the drill down. So in this case, I want to add credit card type to be further drilled down based on the processors. So now for the credit card, for the payment type as credit card, it's giving me the different processors distribution. Now I can further drill down this on the time bucket. So I want a monthly time bucket of for the processor 1 and credit card type, what are my total sales looking like. So this way the user can do infinite layers of drill down on the columns present. This is the first variation of doing the drill down. The next one would be by personalizing the drill down layer. That is, we have the drill down option here. Once the user enables it, they have two things that they can do. That is, one is the column journey and one is the widget. So coming into the second variation, which is the column journey, the user can define what the next layer of drill down can look like. That is, they can add the drill down steps from here. So they select the column, the next layer should be, we're currently on payment type, so let's do it on processor. And let us also add the visualization type. So maybe I want to see this on a pie chart. So for different processors, I want the visualization to be a pie. I can configure multiple steps based off that. And I can save this to my dashboard. So once it hits the dashboard, I can do a drill down from there. So for credit card, let's do the drill down. It's giving me the processors. And again, I'm adding one more layer of drill down. So it's giving me the currency codes. So these are the personalized way of doing the drill down structure. Now let us explore the third variation of doing the drill down, that is by widget. In this mode, what happens is the user can pre-create the visualization of what the next layer of drill down should look like. That is, if I have multiple things that the user wants to visualize, and I can create this as a draft, save this as a draft, and I can attach this to a view. That is, for this payment type, whatever I have, I can add a drill down as a widget journey and select this widget, which I have just added as a draft. So to this original widget, I am adding the drill down layer, which was pre-created as a draft. I hit apply and save this to the dashboard. So on the dashboard page, now when I do a drill down, now it gives me the combination of total sales and total transactions which I have added. So these are the three variations of doing drill down on DataGol today. Thank you.